Hi, a very big hi to everyone. In our last video, we just saw a very short note about what is mean by stock market and also what are the risk factors in stock market. Today, I'm going to explain you how to buy your stocks and how to hold the stocks, what is mean by demat account and how to buy a demat account. So all these things I will be explaining you clearly in a very detailed manner. So let us start the video.
First, we are going to see about what is Demat account. Whenever we hear the word account, we all comes to know about bank account. So Demat account is also same as that of bank account. The main difference between Demat account and bank account is that in our bank account we will hold all our money in a virtual format, but in a Demat account we will hold all our shares in an electronic format. The full form of demat account is dematerialized account. Say before 1996 and all, the shares were distributed in the form of papers. While distributing in this manner, there was a very high risk such as delays in delivery, loss of paper, etc. So, in order to avoid all these cases, they introduced an electronic format. Only after introducing this electronic format, buying and selling in stock market becomes very easier, and also many people and investors started entering into the stock market, so that the growth of stock market also increased rapidly. In a demat account, apart from holding stocks, we can also hold many bonds, such as government bonds can be holded. Private bonds can also be holded. We can hold IPO, mutual funds, RBI subscription, gold subscription. So many bonds can be holded in demat account. Second, we are going to see about who holds all our demat account. Depositories are the one who hold all our demat account. In India, there are two main depositories. They are known as NSDL and CDSL. NSDL is called as National Security Depository Participants, and CDSL is called as Central Depository Service Limited. So these two are the two main depositories in India. Third one is to whom we open our account. We open our demat account to depository participants. In shortly, we call them as DP. You may have a doubt who's called as depository participant. These banks, institutions, discount brokers are called as depository participants. These depository participants usually act as an intermediate between ourselves and depository. So, as an intermediate charges, they collect the amount from us, which we commonly called as brokerage. Next, we are going to see about what are the charges. We have four main charges in stock market: account opening charges, maintenance charges, depository charges, safety or custody charges. First is account opening charges. We all have account opening charges, so it starts from minimum free to maximum 500. If you visit the broker's website, they might have clearly explained you about the current account opening charges. And second one is maintenance charges. We all in a bank account, we all have a minimum maintenance charges. Likewise, in stock market, we have a yearly maintenance charges which starts from 300 to maximum 500. But now, if you visit the broker's website, they have clearly mentioned you about the current maintenance charges which they charge. And third one is depository or brokerage. As I have told you earlier about the brokerage charges, because this depository participants acts as an intermediate between ourselves and depository. So as a transaction charges, they collect brokerage from us. This is called as depository or brokerage charges. And finally, fourth one is safety or custody charges. Say for example, if we invest in long term, that is 5 years, 10 years, we can't able to watch our stocks daily whether our shares are safe or not. So in order to avoid such cases, we will pay some amount to the um, brokers, so that they will keep watching in their custody. So this is called the safety or custody charges. Finally, today we saw about what are the charges in stock market in a very detailed manner. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Kindly click on like button and don't forget to comment and subscribe my channel, and also click on bell button for further notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.